Deer Valley. We're gonna go up to Silver Lake and then hike up to Bald Peak. Yeah, it's about 9,800 feet from sea level. It's supposed to be some incredible views, so here we go. Almost at the top. To the top. Well, just got back from Salt Lake. It's nice out, but it's freaking windy. And with wind and tents, well, this is what happens. The integrity of the tent broke. So, we'll see. Alright, well, it's kind of late in the day. I don't feel like buying a tent, setting this shit up, plus it's windy. So, I found an Airbnb back in Salt Lake. So I'm gonna tear this mess down. Get out of here and yeah, sleep in a bed with a nice warm shower. So, just got to this Airbnb. Look at this. Nice little kitchen, living space, got that flat screen. Should be a good night. About to unpack my stuff, jump in the shower, do some laundry, chill, and get a good night's sleep for a long work week ahead of us. Starting at the data center tomorrow morning. Gonna try to head up to the tower site so we can get a lay of land and see what's going on up there. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.